Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Yellow Space. So, today we're diving into a topic that's super important but often overlooked, the hookup etiquette. So, whether you're new to casual encounters or a seasoned pro to the hookup scene, these tips will help you ensure that your experiences are respectful and enjoyable for everyone involved. So, tara, tarahin na natin. Uh, First and foremost is having clear communication. Communication is the key. Always be upfront about your intentions and what you are looking for. Kung one night stand ba to, kung something constant, or whatever. So this sets the stage for mutual understanding between you and dun sa partner mo that would avoid any unnecessary confusion down the line. Alam natin yung i-expect natin out of the connection that is being built. Diba? Second would be consent. Consent is absolutely crucial. It's a make it or break it para sa inyo, para sa atin, kasi pwede kang humimas ng rehas kung hindi ito clear. Like, you could be accused of rape and abuse. So, to make sure that both parties are enthusiastically consenting to everything that happens, no one should ever feel pressured or unsure about what's going on. Another is respecting boundaries. So everyone has different comfort levels. So you have to always check in with your partner and respect their physical and emotional limits. No and stop are both powerful words na considered na as full sentence. Pag sinabi sa yung no or stop or anumang safe word yung gamit nyo na napag-usapan nyo, hindi na obligasyon ni naman ay paliwanag pa kung bakit. Kasi hindi naman niya yung sasabihin kung hindi niya limit yun. Unless CNC. You know what I mean. It's all about making sure that both of you feel unsafe and comfortable. Okay? So, it's also important to use protection. Using condoms or other forms of protection helps prevent STIs and unwanted pregnancy. It's a simple step that shows you care about each other's health. Get tested regularly din. Meron tayong mga social hygienic centers sa mga municipality that does not only provide mga 3-in-1 testing for HIV, syphilis, and Hep B, but they also provide condoms, lubes, I think there's then vaccines for free, and PrEP para sa HIV or to lessen yung possibility ng HIV. So for personal hygiene can't be stressed enough. Sino pa naman yung gusto ng cute at maasim? Unless fetish mo yun or think mo yun, I'm not judging. Pero you have to maintain good hygiene. Maintaining good hygiene is a sign of respect for your partner, and that helps make the experience more pleasant for both of you. Diba? Also, privacy is another important aspect sa hookup scene. Keep the details of your encounter private unless you've both agreed otherwise, that you could discuss it or share it with other people or whatever. Discretion is the key. Especially in our interconnected world, huwag masyadong personal yung mga exchange ng details about sa life nyo para din protektahan mo yung privacy mo. Another important aspect is having a non-judgmental attitude. It is really essential para sa mga nasa hookup scene, avoid shaming others for or judging your partner for their desires and preferences. Meaning, yung mga kinks and fetishes nila, yung preference nila sa physique and looks that they are attracted to, or kung anong klaseng relasyon na meron sila. Yung into swinging ba sila, non-monogamy, polyamory, ganon. Pero pag cheater naman, wag mong tolerate. Call them out. Other than that naman, I think everyone has their own taste, and that's perfectly okay. So, huwag tayong judgmental. Isa pa, na laging nagiging issue, be punctual. Like, be on time. If you have made plans to meet, respect each other's time, and arrive on time. We are all busy living our adulting lives. So let's not waste each other's time. It is a small gesture that would show that you're valuing the other person, or nirerespeto mo man lang yung time nung partner mo. One more thing, para din to sa safety mo, yung sobriety. It is important for clear decision making. Okay lang siguro kung isa or dalawang shot para lang medyo ma-break yung ice, but make sure that both of you are sober to make clear, informed decisions. If you drink too much or smoke trees or, too much, your inhibitions are down and unreliable. We do not want anyone regretting the experience. Kasi dapat happy lang tayo. Like, landi responsibly. Diba? Landi safely, landi responsibly. One more thing na madalas nawawala is yung aftercare. Ang aftercare isn't just for relationships. Checking in with each other after the encounter ensures that both parties feel respected and comfortable. Hindi puro karap lang. Yung iba kasi kastang-kasta pero wala nang pakialam sa partners nila after the deed. It's a nice way to show that you care, even if it's just a casual hookup. It's not necessarily cuddles naman. Kung ayaw mo makipag-cuddle, kung rule mo yun, it's fine. Pero yung simpleng check-in lang, like, I hope you enjoyed the keme, or mag-food trip kayo, or, kahit simpleng pag-abot lang ng pamunas after. Simpleng compliments, small talks, mas okay, di ba? Hindi yung parang fuck and go. Isa pa pala, discretion is important, especially if one or both of you are in public or a professional setting. You have to respect each other's privacy and be mindful of your surroundings. Syempre, hindi naman lahat ng tao, lalo na dito sa bansa natin, tanggap yung gantong scene. And hindi lahat out na active sila sa hookup scene, lalo na sa girls. Huwag natin i-out yung mga naka-hookup natin unless nalaman mong cheater, by all means, i-out mo. Char. Anyway, isa sa mga pinahalagahan ko is yung honesty about your relationship status and your sexual health. For me, these are non-negotiable. You have to be truthful to avoid misunderstandings and health risks. Let's be each other's safe space. Sa scene ito, sabihin natin kung meron tayong jowa, kung consensual ito, non-consensual, kung ano man yun, parang, alam mo yun, yung partner mo yung magde-decide kung ano yung gagawin niya sa decision na yun, or sa information na yun. Isa pa, avoid mixed signals. If you're not looking for a relationship, make that clear from the start. It's all about managing expectations and being transparent. Be fucking clear. Para walang mai-inlove sa maling tao. Para walang mai-inlove sa hindi naman dapat mahalin. Para makaiwas yung mga dapat umiwas. Ha? Huwag tayong magpaasa ng tao. Lastly, express gratitude. Like a simple thank you can go a long way in ensuring a positive conclusion to the encounter. Kahit compliments lang, like, I had fun, it was a wonderful experience, ang sarap mo, ang galing mo! Diba? Para may chance ka pang Char. Pero, yeah, totoo yun. Pwede mo yun sabihin, as expression na gusto mo pang umulit. Ganyan. So, ayun lang mga mahal. Yun lang para sa episode na to. Our episode for the hookup etiquettes na kailangan mong tandaan. It's all about respect, communication, and mutual enjoyment. Thanks for tuning in to Yellow Sweets. Until next time, stay safe, landi safe, karat safe. Bye!